Hello friends, I'm going to show you some amazing site to earn money. This is calling Captura.com. You have to go Captura.com and sign up and confirm your email. After will come this page, home page. Go to before I was saying what is the app. You can earn money for write review. Here I have lot of apps. App qualification. You have to give everything is 100% your own opinion and write good and quality review. They are asking your real information, your opinion. Example, I will take PayPal. What do you think about PayPal? PayPal is, I am saying, PayPal is very fast transactions, and they are getting also small amount also. This is real. They are getting 0.01 also. They are receiving payments, but other Payza, Payoneer, Skrill, they are not getting this like small amount. They are asking minimum. They will get $2, $5. This transaction is they are getting, but PayPal is number one. They are receiving small amount also. Example to, if I send 0.01 amount to PayPal, they are receiving. Like that, I will send from PayPal to any transaction to my example to I will send PayPal balance 0.01 to my MasterCard. They are sending that small amount also, but other app is not sending. So I am giving right informations. Go to write review. I am showing example PayPal. Like that, you have thousands of app. Here you can give every app, you can give review just clicking PayPal. What is your name? Just giving Muhammad Rafal, and give your email address. I am just typing example to. What email you have to give, what app you use to sign up Captura, that email you have to give here. Every review you get, you will give that email, then you can get benefits. So what is the job title? Write review. You will give your option. Organization name, PayPal review. Just give PayPal review. Anything. Yeah, I'm giving PayPal now, so I will type PayPal. You will giving review anything product. Give that name, app name, and type review. Industry related. You have to select anything related. What is the PayPal? PayPal is money transactions. So anything related here. Investment management or investment banking. Okay. After, what is company size? This is myself. And how long you use? If you not use this app, just give free trial. I am using this 4 years more, so I will give 2+ years. How frequently use this app? I am using weekly. If you use daily, or if you use monthly, or if you come sometime, you give other. What is your role? I am a user this app. Click next. After, you have to give everything is right. If you not think this app is not cool, you will give 3 or 2, anything. This is my opinion. Overall is very, very good, so I will give 5. Easy to use, ease of use. Features function is very good. Customer support is also, they are giving reply before 1 day. Value for money, yes, they are giving small money also, no. After you give, how will you recommend to your friends? I will give 100%, so I will give 10. After, click next. After, what is job title? PayPal review. You will write, if you giving another app, give that app name and write review. write PayPal review. What do you like most about this app? This app sending small amount also. What do you think? This app they are asking. You will give your own opinion. After some time they will ask you by email. Then you have to give what is what option, what did you write here. They are sometimes not asking, sometimes if asked you have to give same your answer here. So you have to give your own opinion and write opinion. This app is sending small amounts also, so I like very much this app. After, what did you least about this software? What did you like least about this software? As a feature if you are missing or could improve, as the aspect of product that are difficult to use on the integration without a business person. Just type anything missing from the tab, you will share your opinion. They are not the PayPal is not have crypto, so I will put if you can add crypto option, I will get more benefit. Crypto option, I will get more benefit. What do you think? Sometimes this asking what is the meaning. They are asking what you have to change from that app. Anything you have. I think PayPal is not have crypto, so I will send. If you can add crypto option, I will get more benefit. Describe your overall experience. Your experience, PayPal experience. My experience is I am using this app for plus years, but till today I am not got anything error. I am using this app for 4 years plus, but till today I am not got anything error. They are not giving anything error. Some app is giving many more errors. Your amount is very low, your email address is not verified, but this app is not giving anything wrong. Everything is 100% perfect. So I am giving not till today I am not getting any errors. So I will share my own experience. Then do you switch from another product? I am giving no. After by submitting, click here. By submitting this reviews, I certified a capture I affiliate. They are asking, is this your own experience? 100% sure. So you have to give everything they are asking. You have to give right 100% your own experience. After give submit. I am not giving here. I am email address and my name is not right. There's also I already submitted this PayPal, so I am not giving second time. This is I did for you, just example. So you will do everything like this. If you after you submit, they will review your review. They will reply to you after 1 or 2 weeks. If you got verified, they are giving money. How they are giving money? They are giving to this like this. This is my before I return Quanta PB. I am not received more. They are reply before I yesterday I did this. They will give after I verified my review. They will get 1 or 2 weeks to review. 3 weeks after you have submitted your review. 3 weeks, they are getting 3 weeks. After I qualified, they are giving gift voucher. Gift voucher you can claim that PayPal or MasterCard, anything. Every app use like this method. You have to give your own experience. That's all. Thanks for watching, friends. Just don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will post like this many video, and like and comment anything you have doubt. Thank you.